Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn something different from Excel. In today's video I am going to teach you how to make a certificate using a MS Word. I know I've made videos on MS Excel up till now, but I thought of doing something different this Sunday. So I am doing a video on how to make a certificate format, a template without using any expensive softwares like Photoshop, Corel Draw. I'll show you some simple format of a certificate which I'm going to prepare in MS Word. So without wasting any further time, let's jump on to the video. So this is the fresh MS Word. I'll change the layout to, I'll go to layout. I'll change the orientation to landscape. I'll maximize the ruler. Okay. Many companies need certificate, small companies need certificate, and they don't know how to use a Photoshop, so they can see this video and do it using a Word. So this is a A4 size paper. If I check the size, it's a A4 size paper. I've oriented to landscape. Now let's do some designing part. So I'll go to insert, I'll go to shapes, and this video will only give you an idea. Okay, if you can make a better certificate by looking at this video, please go ahead and do it and share the link below with me. So I'll just insert design over here. Okay, I'll right click and I'll edit some points like these. Okay, I'll just extend this over here. Okay, yeah, that's it. This looks good. I'll change this color to this. I'll change the border line to no border. Go to outline and say no border. Okay, then I want a small, I'll copy this and paste it again. I'll change the color, I'll do a lighter color. I'll change the size of this. Something like this. See, this look good. Okay, great. So I'll just group this. I'll select both the shapes while pressing Control and click on both the shapes. I'll right click it, go to group, and I'll group both of them. I'll again copy and paste it. I'll drag the second one below and I'll turn it this way so that I can paste it at this corner as well. I'll reduce the size. This is okay. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so our normal basic format or the basic design is ready. Now let's do something on this corner as well as on this corner. I'll again go to insert. Let me see which thing fits over here. I think this is good, right? Let's try something with this. Okay, this is great. So I'll reduce this size by clicking on this yellow thing. Again, reduce this size. Great. This. Okay, this look good. So I'll change this color. I'll go to shape format. I'll change this color to dark orange, which is a theme of a. Then the outline should be no lines, and I'll turn this way, right, and I'll fix this somewhere here. Okay. So this look good. I'll again copy it and paste it. I'll fix it somewhere here. Let me see. No, it's not proper. There should be a thin line between these two, right? And I'll just reduce the stroke. Thin line, right? And I'll just shorten this one because it is between that big border. Okay, now I'll change this color to the lighter one as per our theme, and borders to no border. See, this look good. So I'll again select both this. I'll right click, group them. I'll copy them, paste them, drag the second one below on the left hand side corner, turn them using this small arrow, and I'll fix them in this corner. Okay, great. So a basic designing of a certificate is done. Now let's write something over here. So I'll go to insert word art. I'll select this word art orange, which goes with my theme. I'll drag this over here and I'll write and double click at the company name, Get Perfect Private Limited. Remember, there is no company with this name, but I'm planning to open this company. Your good wishes will make this happen somewhere down the line in future. So this is the company name. Then again I'll go to insert. I'll click on text box and I'll drag a text box over here which says certificate of achievement. Okay, I'll select this. I'll increase the font. Go to home. I'll increase the font to say 50. Okay, I'll change the font. Usually the font is monotype cursiva. Yes, this look good. I'll just realign it as per my company name given over there. Okay, I'll select the shape, go to shape format, and I'll say no outline, and the color should be orange as per should not be fill color, text color should be orange. Okay, so this look good. You can try different fonts as per your requirement or as per your taste. Okay, now I'll again insert a text box to write this certifies that, change the font to this. You can keep as per your choice. I am keeping this as per my choice. Okay, I'll select the shape. I'll say no outline. I'll again copy this and Control V, paste it over here. In between these two, the employee name will appear. I'll show you how. This certifies that the name of the employee for outstanding performance in the month of February 2020. Okay, I'll again copy and paste it. I'll drag it over here. Date of issue, and here signature of director. Okay, so certificate is done almost 90%. Now few more things to add up. I'll copy this thing and paste it. I'll drag this over here. I'll reduce the size of this, and here comes the employee name, as in my name. You can put the employee name. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. The employee name, I have kept it as same format because it goes good. I'll go to home and underline the employee name because this looks good as per me, at least. See, your basic certificate is ready. Here we'll also put some lines. So simple line, you go to insert a simple line. This color should be orange. Copy it, paste it, and I'll drag this. Okay, so great, our certificate is done. If you want, you can add a star over here like this. Go to insert, go to shapes, and you can add a star like this. This color would be orange as per my theme, no borders. Okay, again, if you want to add a small star, exactly in between this, you can do that. You change this color to orange. Realign it properly. Okay, and here you can add a text box. Award. To home, increase the font size. Twist it like this, and text color would be black, shape fill would be the same color, and outline is 0. Great, so our certificate is completed. You can go ahead and print it directly and have it ready. Give it, put the date of issue over here, add a digital signature or a signature of your director, and give it to the employee who deserves for his achievement. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and yes, don't forget to comment below. I would like to read your comments and I'll make sure that I give replies on your comments as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.